So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of x is a cubic function and this attains maximum and minimum value at p and q, and p square is equal to q. That is the point where you have the point where you have local maxima square is equal to the point where you have local minimum. If that is so, what is the value of a? That's the question. So to inquire about the values where you have maxima and minima, let us differentiate this function. So f dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 18ax plus 12a square. So f dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 18ax plus 12x square. So now this f dash of x has to be equal to 0 for critical points. So if you try to solve this equation, so you have 6x square minus 6ax minus 12ax plus 12a square is equal to 0. This implies 6x times x minus a minus 12a times x minus a is equal to 0. This implies x minus a times 6x minus 12a is equal to 0. This implies one of the root is x is equal to a, the other root is 6x is equal to 12a, that is x is equal to 2a. So these are the two roots. So one of the root corresponds to the maximum, one of the root corresponds to the minimum. So which of the roots correspond to what? So that can be obtained by using f double dash of x. So what is f double dash of x? Is nothing but 12x minus 18a. 12x minus 18a. So what is f double dash at x is equal to a? This is minus 6a. Minus 6a. So if you assume that a is positive, so f double dash at a is negative. F double dash of a is negative. That means you have a maxima at x is equal to a, and correspondingly minima at x is equal to 2a. So according to the question, maxima corresponds to x is equal to p. So this a corresponds to p and the minima corresponds to q. So 2a corresponds to q. And according to the given equation, p square is equal to q. That is a square is equal to 2a. P square is equal to q. So a is getting cancelled. This implies a has to be equal to 2. Option C is the right answer. Thank you.